Hola, this is Miss Ramos, and today I will briefly see the definite article and the noun and the grammatical gender rules. So, the rules of the noun and the article, we know this info you may find everywhere and online, but I wanted to break it down a little bit for you, right? The rules of the noun and the article, the definite article, and the gender of the noun. So we know the definite and indefinite articles. If you don't, we may expand that in a lesson if you would like. But today we'll talk about the definite articles. And almost always, nouns are preceded by an article that agrees with it in gender and number. What does that mean? That means that if the noun is feminine, the article will be feminine. If the noun is masculine, the article will be masculine. If the noun is feminine plural, the article will be feminine plural. If the noun is masculine plural, the article will be masculine plural. So, as we were saying, we're going to break it down, and the articles are el and los for masculine nouns. El is for singular nouns, and los for plural masculine nouns. Um, how do we know when a noun is plural? It has an S at the end. It's that simple. It's super fantastic because it's one of the most simple things in Spanish. And then um, la and las for feminine nouns, la for singular feminine nouns, and las for feminine plural nouns. How do I know when a noun is masculine or feminine? That is the most asked question when it comes to learning Spanish. Well, there are simple rules and some exceptions. Of course, there are exceptions. What else do you think there would be in Spanish if not exceptions? Masculine nouns, the rules is that masculine nouns generally end in O, and feminine nouns generally end in A. That's a simple rule. Now, let's see our exceptions. Why not? Um, so there are masculine nouns that do not end in O, and they will still need the article el to precede them. See? So I recommend that you memorize these. And for example, animal, el café, el doctor, el hospital, el tomate, el hotel, and there are some others that again we can see in a class if you would like. And there are masculine nouns that end in ma, pa, ta. I have one of my posts on social media dedicated to this, and that are masculine. These are generally intangible concepts, like non-tangible concepts. Um, like clima, weather, drama, mapa, a map, planeta, a planet, poema, a poem, sistema, yes, system. So then we have the exceptions for the feminine nouns, what I like to call long endings. And all nouns that end in sion with a C, sion with an S, dad, tad with a T, tud are feminine. And canción, televisión, la verdad, amistad. Again, these are non-tangible things. And feminine nouns ending in O, like foto, mano, radio. And then there are feminine nouns that do what they want, like la mujer, la piel, la suerte, la luz. Just remember these. So we have, let's recap. We know that articles agree in gender and number with the noun, feminine or masculine, singular, plural. The ending of the nouns, and that end in O are masculine and end in A are feminine. If we add an S, they're plural. And there are some exceptions to masculine and feminine nouns that we must learn in order to make it easier to identify them. So much fun. I will leave this in below as a link. Muchas gracias. I hope this was useful. Save it for homework to study or just in case you have some doubts. See you next time.